What's up, guys? Biker Dave here. This is a 2012 Ram 1500 two-wheel drive, and if your turn signal light is out, unfortunately you have to get to it from inside the fender well. And yeah, I mean, you can kind of get to it if the tire is still installed, but it's easier if you just remove the wheel, pull this little door open, and you can see where it is in there. Just pull this little door open, get it out of the way, and look up in there. There's the connector right there. Just rotate it to pull it out and replace it, and then reverse what you've done. That's it. You'd think they'd make it a little easier, but they don't, of course. Check out my channel for all kinds of car related, golf carts, motorcycles, ATVs, dirt bikes, scooters, hot rods, new and old cars, stuff around the house, all kinds of videos. And if our video helped you out or saved your life, make sure you click the thanks button that's underneath the video screen. Feel free to shoot a little donation. We really appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you.